Welcome to our Musical Stonehenge Adventure. Right now, I am inside the inventory selecting my stone stairs, and I'm going to grab another stone slab, and one more. I'm going to grab a stone brick. Notice how I only choose gray color stones because I want to mimic the look of those Stonehenge. And I think I just found the spot I want to build my musical terms on. If I'm using a mouse, I will right click to place the stone. But if I am using the trackpad, I need to make sure that I execute my right click with 2 fingers down on the trackpad, or my left click with 2 fingers down on the trackpad. As you can see over here, the view is also a little bit elevated. You can do that by just clicking the space keys twice, then your view will be elevated. And if you want to come down, just press the space keys twice again, and it will come down. When you're building, make sure that all of your letters for the musical terms are in a row. They are aligned with each other. We don't want a letter before or be behind or get too close to the letters. When you're navigating the view, make sure that you are seeing the whole picture. Space keys really comes in handy when you need to pull in, zoom out, zoom in. Now, at this shot, Miss Lowe could have back off and then use the flying mode a little bit. And then right click to stack the stone brick. Now, the word that Miss Lowe was trying to build is coda, but as you can see right now, I totally lost the control. My avatar is running away from the word I was trying to build. So I didn't know how to stop myself from running, so I just click on the inventory key, and that stopped it. Now I need to refocus my view. Now, if you are a pro at Minecraft, you probably know what went wrong, but Miss Lowe really don't know what happened over there. So, if you needed to, if you need a tip to stop your avatar from running away from whatever you're building, just go ahead and click on the inventory key, which is the letter E on your keyboard. Now right here I made a mistake. So all I need to do is just click on the mine function by using my left click to knock out the stones that I don't want. Looks like my coda, the word coda, is coming along pretty well. If I don't run away, again, like earlier. Now, because I find it hard to build a capital letter D, so I decided to change it to a lowercase d. Right, and now we're going to build our last letter, if we can stay put and don't run away. Now, a lowercase a is not easy to build, I would say. Just because the shape. Oh, here I go. Oh, here I go again. Oh boy. So here I stop myself from running by clicking the inventory key, and now I can actually walk back to where I was building, and I just drop some stone bricks and stone stairs as well. So in this assignment, you really need to be careful and practice how to navigate, I guess, before you start building. Otherwise, it may take longer for you to build your musical terms. Right here, I made a mistake again, so I knocked it out with my left click. And the idea of having all of us, our classmates and ourselves, building these musical terms in the same world is to trying to we're trying to build a Stonehenge together. So I really look forward to see everyone's work, but make sure that you're being respectful. Don't knock out other people's musical terms, and be respectful of their creation. Now this last stroke is very tricky. Miss Lo really tried her best, but it is what it is. Whoops. And one more, maybe. Oh, I guess that's it. So let's take a look. So my A looks really sketchy over there, but COD is recognizable. Now when you're done, make sure that you click Save and Exit.